Chapter 3. Home Sweet Home. Porcupine. The porcupine lives on land, mostly in forests and rocky areas. It has sharp quills on its back to protect itself from predators. Porcupines are nocturnal and come out at night to search for food. Frog. The frog lives both on land and in water. It has webbed feet to swim and strong legs to jump on land. Frogs lay their eggs in water, and their young ones, tadpoles, live in water until they grow into frogs. Parrot. The parrot lives on land, mainly in trees and tropical forests. It loves to eat fruits, seeds, and nuts. Parrots are known for their bright colors and ability to mimic sounds. Walrus. The walrus lives in water, mainly in the Arctic Ocean. It has large tusks and whiskers to help it find food on the ocean floor. Walruses rest on ice and swim to hunt for clams and shellfish. Camel. The camel lives on land, especially in deserts. It can survive without water for many days by storing fat in its hump. Camels are used for transportation in hot, sandy areas. Eagle. The eagle lives on land, often building its nest in tall trees or cliffs. It has sharp talons and strong eyesight to catch prey. Eagles soar high in the sky while hunting for food. Lobster. The lobster lives in water, mainly in oceans and seas. It has a hard shell and strong claws to catch prey and protect itself. Lobsters crawl along the ocean floor to find food. Kingfisher. The kingfisher lives near water, such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. It dives into the water to catch fish with its sharp beak. Kingfishers have colorful feathers and are very fast hunters. Jellyfish. The jellyfish lives in water, floating in oceans and seas. It has a soft, transparent body and stinging tentacles to catch food. Jellyfish drift with ocean currents. Tortoise. The tortoise lives on land, usually in dry areas and forests. It has a hard shell to protect itself from predators. Tortoises move slowly and eat plants and fruits. Kangaroo. The kangaroo lives on land, mainly in Australia. It has strong hind legs for hopping and a pouch to carry its baby, Joey. Kangaroos are herbivores and live in grasslands. Crab. The crab lives in water, mostly in oceans and on beaches. It has a hard shell and sharp claws to defend itself and catch food. Crabs walk sideways and hide under rocks or sand.